Hi, everyone! These are the Mutoh MP inkjet printers. We will be using these printers to make a flexible packaging sample this time. When making samples, water-based and toner printers cannot print directly on film. So it makes a difference in the degree of perfection. Although UV printers can print directly, they are not suitable for samples because the printed film is easily deformed like this. Mutoh MP printers can solve those disadvantages. Use this data to make a sample. Print directly on film. As you can see, the MP printer can print directly on film, and ink cracking is unlikely to occur, so we were able to make a beautiful sample. In addition to direct printing on film, by laminating vapor-deposited film, you can make packaging samples that more closely actual products, and also by taking advantage of its high elasticity, you can make shrink samples for bottles, too. By using Mutoh MP printers, you can make and propose samples reached a higher degree of perfection than ever before and share an image of the finished product. See you again in the next video.